How to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending code. So if you're facing a problem with the two-step verification not sending your code, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have your internet connection, or if you're interrupted with no internet connection, then you will not receive the code. And the second thing you need to do is open up your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search, and on the search you need to search for Roblox. Once you've searched here, you will have the Roblox application. So if you have any updates under this application, then you just need to simply go with update option and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply search for Roblox, tap and hold on to Roblox application, go with app info, and then go with notifications. Under notifications, make sure to turn on all of the notifications. Once you turn on the notifications, your problem will be fixed. And go with permissions, and under permissions here you need to allow the notifications, and you need to allow the SMS option. If you have SMS option, then go and allow the SMS option and your problem might be fixed. And once you've done all of that, now even after that, if you're still not being able to get the two-step verification code, then you need to open up your Google or your browser and then go with the search, and under search you need to search for two-step verification on Roblox not working, and then scroll down and then tap on troubleshoot or help.roblox.com option, and it will take you to the help center. And under this you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of need more help, contact here. Tap on it. Here you need to enter your date of birth, so enter the date of birth. Once you enter, tap on continue, and it will take you to the contact us page where you need to enter the username, but it's optional, and the first name is also optional. So you need to simply enter the email address, which is compulsory, and then again confirm your email address and select the issue that you are facing. So you need to simply choose the device in which you are using, and then go with help category, and under help category you need to choose the option of tap on technical support, and then go with next option, and then tap on specific issue or specific experience issue. And under description you need to describe about your issue. So you need to enter, hello Roblox team, I'm facing a problem with the two-step verification code not receiving on my device, so please help me with that problem. And once you've written, you just need to simply go with continue, which is on the bottom, and once you tap on continue, your issue will be sent to Roblox and they might help you after that. So that's how you can fix Roblox two-step verification not sending code problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.